Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On July 7th, 2026, the US FDA granted an accelerated approval for an injectable protein therapeutics, Atacicept, brand name TRUTAKNA, which is indicated to reduce proteinuria in adults with primary immunoglobulin A nephropathy, IgAN, at risk for disease progression. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Atacicept, brand name TRUTAKNA. This medication was approved by the US FDA on July 7, 2026, and indicated to reduce proteinuria in adults with primary immunoglobulin A nephropathy, IgAN, at risk for disease progression. Proteinuria refers to protein in the urine and sometimes causes foaming urine. IgAN, also known as Berg disease, and is a rare autoimmune kidney disease where abnormal antibodies build up in the kidneys. Chemically, TRUTAKNA is a soluble recombinant furin glycoprotein with molecular weight of approximately 73.5 kilodalton. This medication is available as 150 mg per 1 milliliter in a single-dose pre-filled auto-injector for subcutaneous injection. Recommended dosage 150 mg once weekly by subcutaneous injection. Per prescribing information, TRUTAKNA auto-injector is intended for subcutaneously administration by patients' caregivers at home. Further, given this is a furin glycoprotein therapeutics, TRUTAKNA needs to be stored in a refrigerator at 36 to 46 Fahrenheit, which is 2 to 8 Celsius, in the original carton to protect from light. Do not freeze, do not shake, do not expose to heat. If needed, TRUTAKNA auto-injector can be stored at room temperature, 25 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit, for up to 3 days. If the medication has been at room temperature for more than 3 days, discard TRUTAKNA accordingly. Mechanistically, this medication works as a B-lymphocyte stimulator, B-lys specific inhibitor, and a proliferation-inducing ligand APRIL blocker, binding B-lys, also known as B-cell activating factor BAFF, and APRIL with dissociation constants Kd of 106 picomolar and 33 picomolar respectively, reducing BAFF and APRIL-mediated signaling and subsequently decreasing production of serum galactose-deficient IgA1, Gd-IgA1, which is implicated in the pathogenesis of IgAN. Pharmacokinetically, Tmax, the median time to reach the maximal plasma concentration, was about 36 hours. Central and peripheral volume of distribution in patients with IgAN were 44 liter and 61 liter respectively. The elimination half-life of Atacicept is approximately 40 days in IgAN patients. Metabolism, similar to endogenous immunoglobulin G, Atacicept is expected to be hydrolyzed by protein-lytic enzymes into small peptides and amino acid via catabolic pathways. Contraindications: serious hypersensitivity to any of the ingredients in TRUTAKNA. The most common adverse reactions with TRUTAKNA greater than or equal to 5% include upper respiratory tract infection, injection site reaction, and injection site erythema, That's skin redness at the injection site. Also note that TRUTAKNA suppresses the immune system by reducing antibody production, which may lead to the increased risk of infections. Here are the key sources which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Updates for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on TRUTAKNA prescribing information. This document is available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.